is my homemade anvil. I made this for less than 70 bucks. And it weighs 138 pounds. And how I made it was by going to Unicorn Metal's scrapyard for metal. Went there and I saw a piece of steel just sitting there. And he charged me 65 bucks for that. And I added it on to an 8-pound axe head, and I cut it with a settling torch right off right here, just that part right here off, and I rounded it off, sanding it down with a grinder, and arc welded it right on to the side of the round piece of steel. And you can yep, very strong. I've tried banging metal on it before and it held up pretty good. It does the job. It's not like those train track anvils, the homemade train track anvils. This is you get more of an area right here to work with, and this part right here I can round off steel bars or whatever. I might have to round it some more right here, do a little bit more work to it. They call this the horn piece right here, the horn. And that's a support right down there. Yeah, you can see that it's arc welded. It's double welded, so it gives it more strength, added strength right there. And this is a log stump, and I got that out from a train tracks on the side. And this right here, I can store stuff inside right here, like hammers or whatever, you know, inside there. 10 bucks at Goodwill store for this piece. You see some of the burn marks on there from sparks and melted metal and stuff. But yeah, homemade anvil. I'm just gonna try it on this piece of steel right here to show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it did some work on that, and that wasn't even hot.